In this guide, we're going over how you can enable cheats here in the Sims 4 on all platforms. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the first thing that you do need to do is open up the cheat console on your device. If you're playing on PC, for example, you just have to hit Control Shift and then C on your keyboard, and up in the top left you'll notice that cheat console pop up. If you're on a controller on a console, you have to press all four trigger buttons down at the exact same time, meaning L1 and L2 as well as R1 and R2 on PlayStation, or LB and LT or RB and RT on Xbox. After you go and press these buttons, you should see the cheat console appear up in the top left corner, and all you got to do now is type in testing cheats, spelled exactly like this. I know it's kind of hard to see up there, and then type in true right after to enable them. It'll say cheats are enabled, and then you could type in whatever cheat code you want. For example, you could use the money cheat by typing in money and then giving yourself as much money as you want. For example, we'll go ahead and give ourselves $100,000 right here. Boom. And then, of course, we could just tab out of here by closing it again, and we will get that money instantly. It really is as simple as that. I've already given myself 100,000, so that's why it's just sitting right down there. But that's really all there is to it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.